Today we are at the Port of Antwerp. We are the host where we will show that it's safe to fly with several drones at the same time.
So we are here in front of the SAFIR project plan, all the several flights which we're going to execute. So what you see here is the Astral flight plan, which is tend to high tension line inspections.
Today we will perform a 1 hour flight approximately, and we will demonstrate a scenario together with Amazon. We will show how the UniFly system for UTM is used for our missions. Sure thing that it will fly is to use a catapult. It's a well-established technique for launching such an aircraft.
The two other flight lines you see here is Amazon, which are performing delivery flight simulations.
So, as Amazon Prime Air, our main priority is to get packages to our customers in 30 minutes or less. We're taking part in the SAFIR flying demonstrations here to demonstrate UTM and airspace integration for drones, drone technologies. And we're flying over the river, over the port in various different scenarios.
What you can see over here are the several screens that we will be using. Of course, this is regarding the cameras in the harbor itself for security reasons. Next to that we have the Meteo, where we can follow rain and wind. This is the UniFly system. You can already see something happening. Those are manned aircraft that are in the vicinity. So this is a bit the entire setup we have, and show the ecosystem of USpace and UniFly working in an actual live environment.
It's a steering radar. It's an L-band system here, and it is designed to actually illuminate an area in front of us to be able to see all the things which are in its field of view. So this screen here is now showing the live tracks which the radar is reporting. It's looking over a 90 degree, and in that 90 degree it is showing all the tracks it is able to see here. And here in this project here, we're really excited. There are a whole host of very relevant scenarios which are being flown, and we will see how quickly the radar is able to identify the drone and be able to report it.
What will happen later on today is that we will create a no drone zone area by simulating a chemical accident. It means that the flight which is ongoing here from Astral will not be able to return because it will be blocked by the no drone zone, and that the Amazon delivery flight by itself will reroute itself to get back to its landing spot. Another flight that will happen today is the flight from Explicit, and they will perform an inspection flight in the harbor.
What we do is we fly the UAV into the plume from the vessel. You have then the smoke being sucked in here, the plume exhaust into this chamber where you analyze it using 4 different gas sensor data. Transmit all the data to the GCS. After 20 seconds we have the results, and immediately we can contact the authorities if it's a non-compliant vessel that we measure. So this is the graph showing the measurement of the plume. Here we fly from clean air directly into the plume from the vessel. Stay there for 30 seconds to get a good steady signal. And here we fly out again. We do the analysis, 0.09, which is below the limit, so it's a compliant vessel. We do a report with all the data in. Authority can log on and get the reports, and if they want to be notified with non-compliant vessels, we can do it here as well.
And this way we can monitor the exhaust of the vessels and see if they are compliant with the rules.
And another flight today will be the flight from TechEver,
where we want to test all the systems and the integration with the UTM, and to see what is out there in the water.
It's the whole inspection flight you see here in the Antwerp docks. So it's an inspection flight above the docks for oil spill monitoring, waste monitoring in the harbor. So that's it for today.